It may appear to young children that sounds happen only when they're near enough to hear them. How can this experiment help children to develop the idea that sound travels away from its source?
I can't hear that. Can you do it again, please?
Children sometimes think that sound needs an unobstructed pathway to travel along, with nothing in the way. They may also think that sound gets through the gaps in things. Air may be seen as a sort of gap, or even as nothing. Children need experiences that teach them that sounds travel through solids, or liquids like water in the sea, or through gases like air.